name is Janak Mistry, and I'm an entrepreneur by profession and a part-time volunteer with Project Mumbai. I got to hear about Project Mumbai through various social media platforms and a few of my friends. The only reason why I actually wanted to be a part of this very project is because it was catering majorly to elderly and the disabled members of the society. I believe that is one of the age group which is not actively taken care of as far as my knowledge is concerned, and that is when I thought that it will make more sense if I push myself further towards helping them out in the best of the possible ways I can. My schedule started off at 4:45 in the morning, and by 5:15 is when I was in queues of various stores where I need to go and buy various medicines, essentials, groceries, and so on. Once that is procured, I would go to the lady who would make meals for everyone, procure those meals, and start delivering them. So I was done majorly by around 1:15 in the afternoon for meals, followed by delivering the essentials and groceries and medications, and reach home by about 3:15 in the afternoon. The biggest learning I have had while being in this very situation and while being a part of this very project and doing what I do is if you can be polite, it makes more sense, because we know nothing about the battle which is fought by the person who you are dealing with. So it makes no sense being loud or being aggressive. I know the frustration has been building up on one and all, but being frustrated or being angry about certain things is not the solution. While the world was battling and is still battling the fatal virus, I had one thing in my mind, that if I can make a very small difference in the society single-handedly, I would want to take that opportunity. If I can make someone's life better by being there, by helping them out, and being available whenever they would want me to, I'm making that small difference. Yes, it drains me out a lot of times, but I believe if you do not know what are the lows, you will never be able to enjoy the highs you will always have. So yes, there was a bit of a fear I have had in my mind, in my heart, along with the family also. But I guess fear is what will drain you out, what will paralyze you, what will stop you from doing a lot of things. But if you take a step forward and make things happen, you can achieve a lot of other things.